Alright, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. But first, just leave a like for me, leave a comment for me, and let's just run this video, because I'm telling you guys, I'm not gonna disappoint you. I'm showing you some real Area 51 intel right now. You know what? I might just get arrested after showing you guys this video. There's some real scientific technology I'm about to break for you guys. So I'll give you a little time, go ahead. Alright, you like the video? Let's get into it. Alright, so basically everything you need for this video you could get at ucreate.com, which is one of my new business ventures. If you watched my previous videos, you've heard me talk about it. And basically ucreate.com it's an innovative creative lab for creatives. So it's gonna have text like this, different types of composites, different types of vinyls. It's gonna have online classes. So with that being said, let's get into this and show you guys how this tech right here works. Okay, so this is today's project here, and this is the type of custom we're doing today. So we're doing like a bird through the storm type thing. This is how it looks. And then once light hits it, especially with flash or like any type of source of light, sunlight, flashlight, any light will make this thing bang. It's right here. Okay, so basically got everything here. The only thing we're missing is this thing here. So we're using this mini iron and our composites. That's all we need. No paint, no type of artistic skill, just simple DIY. So let me warm this up. So while that's warming up, we'll go ahead and get this ready. And let me just tell you, the process of me getting this composites here ready is so satisfying. Okay, so now that we got this already here, this is nice and warmed up, let's begin. So first, we're gonna wanna put on our eagle, somewhere like that, looks nice, something like that. And when you're doing this whole process, whatever you don't wanna put on, you just don't have to heat it. So since this is hanging out, we just won't heat that part, and then we'll just cut it with the X-Acto knife, and it'll be perfectly on there, something like that. And the way you want to do it with this little mini tool here is just circular motions, about 10 seconds in one spot. Once that's down, just keep moving along, and then eventually everything will be done. This whole process takes about, I'd say, 10 minutes most. Alright, so now that we got this, we'll start throwing on our lightning bolts. So this one goes something like that. This one here will come down from the top, something like that.
And my need to save our love.
This here will also be on the website that you create, the LV reflective material. Okay, so there you guys have it. Thank y'all for watching. One last look at these. Here's the eagle through the storm. These came out looking sick, and as I showed you in the video, I also made these LV ones. Check these out. Let me know if you guys want a video on how to make these here. Like I said, all these composites are available at ucreate.com. Shop now. You can buy these already made at brahmacustoms.com. And until then, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.